In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix iPhone not charging because of water. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. If your iPhone's showing liquid detected alert or refusing to charge after getting wet, it's likely triggered a safety sensor to prevent a short circuit. So following Apple's official safety protocols is crucial here to avoid any permanent damage or hardware failure. So I just immediately unplug everything and disconnect the charging cable and any accessories from both the iPhone and the power outlet. Then go ahead and power it off. So do that as soon as possible. And then if you have a case on your phone like I do, go ahead and remove it entirely. And then if you want to dry the port safely, so obviously whether you're on a USB-C port or a Thunder port, it's very easy to do. So hold your iPhone with the charging port facing downwards like this, and then go ahead and gently tap your phone against the palm to shake any excess liquid out. Then just leave the iPhone in a dry area with airflow, like near an open window or in front of a fan blowing cool air, and then just wait around 30 minutes to try charging it again. If the alert reappears, it can take up to 24 hours to re-dry, so just wait those 24 hours because it's going to be worth it. Now, don't do any heat like hair dryers, heater, or ovens, as extreme heat can damage the battery and the screen as well. Don't use any cotton swabs or anything as well because they can trap moisture and cause corrosion. And don't use compressed air either. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. And also, be sure to check out all our other tutorials that we've been posting on the channel as well, because there is a lot to go through and you might find something that you didn't know about yet.